it's Ashley from Out Ipsy Reviews, and today I am unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. So this is their larger option. This is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-sized beauty products. You do fill out an initial survey that kind of gets an idea of what you like, what you don't like, and then from there Ipsy will send you items each month. Like I said, it's $25. Ipsy does send this to me for review, FYI, before we get in here. I did open this up. I do know what's in here. I'm sorry. They send it all. They send me the Glam Bag and the Plus and the refreshments all in one box. They have to go in. Sorry, guys. Anyway, we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna act like I haven't looked in here. I had to be honest. All right, so March 2021, this is Stronger Together. I'm guessing this is for National Women's Day. Like Sharon Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. And then the back, things that are new with refreshments. Beauty BFFs, here's how to share your looks. All right, if you're not familiar, Ipsy also has the Glam Bag, which is $12. And then they have their other subscription called Refreshments. It's kind of a newer thing. It's clean body essential products instead of beauty and skincare tools. All right, so we're going to open this up. I see right on top here is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Now, this is different than the brush we got last month. That one is more like a foundation brush. This is for something else. These are super nice though. So this is number 704, FYI. This has a really dense, kind of fat, thick top. So I don't know what the hell I'd use that on. But anyway, there's that. There is one item. I love getting brushes in boxes though. That is something I feel like I should say. All right, so we're gonna move on to this next item. This is Florence by Mills, who is the little girl from Stranger Things. She came out with her own beauty. I don't know if she makes makeup and skincare or just makeup. I'm not sure. But I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube for it, so that's interesting. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Doesn't have like a color or name on it. It has like a pink, like almost like a watermelon color. Ooh, it's real thick. I love these actually. Not so much for this. Now it's spring. I don't really want to get that on my clothes. I used to keep like a rag around. And now I don't have one. Here, some tissue paper. This is terrible. This is the life I lead, guys. All right. Anyway. It doesn't really have a scent though, which is interesting. That color looks like it would have a scent, but it doesn't. All right, moving along here. This is the Koa Life Vite C Brightening Cleanser. So this is a vitamin C cleanser. I actually really love these. It says no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So this is going to be an all-natural. This is a new-to-me brand. I've never heard of them. It does have a pump, which is cool. And it has almost like, looks like hand sanitizer almost. So this is 1.7 ounces. And then I will link down below to my review on my blog. Because they don't put the prices of the items in the box on the card in the box, we'll do a price breakdown there and we'll kind of see the value. It's always well worth the $25 spent. All right. Next is an item. Now, FYI, I knew this was in here, but I didn't open it up. This is from House Laboratories. This is the Burlesque Sparkle Lipstick. All right. So we're going to open this together. And if you're not familiar, House Laboratories is Lady Gaga's brand. I think it's exclusive. I don't know if it's changed, but when it first came out, it was exclusively sold through Amazon, I believe, which is really random, right? Because Amazon really doesn't do, like, they usually don't deal with the actual beauty brands. There's a lot of counterfeit, as they say. So it's interesting to have somebody put it on there. So the packaging is slamming. This is really cool. Slamming. What are you, 500? It's metal, and then it has this kind of ombre finish. So let's see the color. Oh, it really is glittery. Whoa, I like that. So it has like a striping. Can you see that? If not, we'll put one right here. But it's beautiful. Oh, I want to see it ooh, it's sheerer than I thought. And it does have micro glitter. Now, it doesn't look like it's just a spray either. It's like in there, like swimwear fools. All right, so there's, oh, that's interesting. It's magnetic. I can appreciate that. I can appreciate that. That's beautiful. All right, moving on to our last item, besides our bag, of course, which is this palette. This is from Shades by Shan. Wait, is that, I'm wondering if that's, have you ever seen the YouTuber Shortcake Shan? I don't know if it is. Oh, it is. It's Shortcake Shan. I love her. She's like the cutest. Anyway, Shades by Shan. This is San Francisco collaboration with MBY Makeup Studio. This is the Neutral Edition 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I'm excited to see this now. I didn't realize what it was last night. All right. Oh, wow. That's just a simple palette. Like what you'd use for a night out. So we have 3 shimmers and then 6 mattes. I'm not going to swatch them now because I just got out of the shower. I don't really want to put makeup on. And I don't have anything to wipe it off with. But we have Wifey is this white one. It says Mommy is this like, what is it? Like a pinky neutral. Foxy is the black. Girl Boss is this brown matte. This reddish brown is Self-Made. Dreamer's this kind of taupey one. Hexed is this bronze glitter. Moxie is this reddish glitter. And then this is Tease, brown glitter, whatever. All right, there's that. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I'll take it. And then there's our bag for the month, which is there's ladies all over it. And I love this color scheme. I think it's fun. It's kind of busy, but it's super cute. It kind of reminds me of something like, I don't know, Andy Warhol-y. You know, it's kind of got that feeling to it. Got red, like, shoelace drawstrings, and the fabric, I think, is really neat, too. It's not like a silky, I don't know. I like this bag. I think this is my favorite one so far. Ooh, and then it's red inside. Confidence comes from within. That's printed in the bag itself. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so for your $25 spend, you're getting a 9-pan palette, your bag, your vitamin C cleanser, your House Laboratories lipstick, your Florence Mills lip oil, and then this cool brush, which I'm actually feeling bad because I want to see where you're supposed to do with it, where you're supposed to put it, what you're supposed to do with it. It says buff your favorite skincare and makeup onto skin using circular motions for beautiful skin smoothing results. So it doesn't really tell you where you're supposed to use this. And it actually says that you can use it with skincare, which is kind of interesting. Maybe you can use it with like masks and things like that. I do have those little rubber spatulas to apply masks, but maybe that's something too. We'll see. Anyway, that is my Ipsy Glam bag plus for March. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.